How to customize controls in OTR 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing OTR 2 and want to customize the controls, here's how you do it. First of all, launch the game open on your device, and once you're inside, from the left hand side menu, tap on Options. After you do that, from the Options tab, click on Controls. Tap the Customize button right next to Controls, and here you can go ahead and customize your controls to your preferred location. Go ahead and drag the controls buttons around the screen and place it in your desired area where you'll be able to feel comfortable while playing the game. From here, you can also change the size of the controls. Customize the controls when you walk, fly, boat, etc. Just go ahead and customize your control, drag it and place it in your desired area so that you can use it better and easier. So that is how you will be able to customize your controls in OTR 2. Once you are done with the customization, you can tap on the arrow at the top left to get back to the game. And there you go! That is how you can customize your controls in OTR 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.